fan.
Ebraso say yedi enkomo Fabɛwɔso Medina yeka Joada bia de bro ba mamenka say ansa na beti medisa enkomo in DBS roofing sheets another rama and afi Vitamin so other rama afi Franco Trading Enterprise one so other rama na san enkomo we yedi ebro ni nyina ne say ne wona agent tie wo mremu na say wona person wona ye a lawyer for how Nikodana ne atepu egu ono so kasa dodo na wona ka nyana na san enkomo we sha ase o enkomo we eba na eko epejanimu na atofom epejanimu na atofom ntienei obehwa wonu se wonu ye kire kese pa ewo enkra godrema yebeko na ya ginchiremu ni yi na oma kire yase de pote pa de woni pese wonu ye ne de ntia wonu tusa anamono Prince Ganaku oye former law student Prince Anopay, Mamena wase, se waje brena obe chirechiri mu de brebe mai ho kwan.
Mejo so meda won so ase ne weti fo nyina.
De di kan. Sa komo we eba na akotofom. Epeja ni mu na akotwiri baabi. Enso ade na yete se de nantwi bini no enim ni nyina wo enso ase ni nyina e pacha. Mo how pa any day because eba na eko ene dia me mo sipo kra se mo ye kire how ne dia we
okay enti no akoyese Ghana ha no o pese o ye lawyer e wo se o school mienu bi ba ko no ene university a obekọ ye friend no LLB level LLB level no na obesua ni aye friend no law na emra na nkasa no obesua no wo LLB level no na usua emra ni wie a wako makola akoye training senya wo be ye lawyer nti se wo case ye 30,000 court ben na obekọ wo deadlines ye sen a wo be file sanya ma no na ye no wo makola na nya ye kan se makola campus na o musi ye no Kwame Nkrumah si in 1958 no o si ye no na University of Ghana pe na o mo kire law afei GLC any National Accreditation Board wamama 14 faculties law ni bi now so makola na ba kwa na enwo ho intino 2015 a between me omo year reforms bi wo makola campus so ema pass rate nti chese enkofo na omo makola no na omo pass rate no 70% omo year reforms ni wie na pass rate no ebedru 29%. Inti sa difference no 61% na aka no no na repeat na makola no maximum capacity for the three campuses no 500 more than 500 da
okay
now so me no ka say sisia no repeat nkofo be 300 na akoye say aka space is 200 na na uyi nkofo na free amanone eba say be ye Ghana law no so a uyi free fa say 50 a aka 150 na exam a yeko throw 2019 entrance exam a yeko throw 2019 results ne buy no almost yemu 93% in a feeling na me person ma with here for say CFA exam chartered financial analyst exam one of the most difficult exams in the world no almost need 93% fail rate oko UK omoba entering of omoba professional course now almost need 93% failure rate. Who pay every UK or bar professional course now? Almost 93% failure rate. California bar exam the most difficult law exam ever America no. Almost 93% failure rate. Just say, at the end now, say there is a statistical problem over there, and we are firmly of the belief say, more problems that we create our Ghana School of Law no. And you say now, yet law no say Makola Ghana School of Law no penetrate. Professional course and no na ama problems na ba nti ebe ya omo bi system ni mu na faculties no universities no one mo tre professional course we are na wa control final Ghana bar exam say no mo ye na brochure say no mo ye be bia ni ho a wo be tro entrance exam say wo koye professional course because education no it's a right oh the American no what you
metie
internet one of your demands I am and it's almost 93% a failure. I think in a year control exam no force and say one sign documents be say omunye we results ne ba omun contest ombeti at 200%. And he court can omudi asem etiawa okwa appeal. Into then in Kolako exam. What catch on saying no matter results or the backbano. Omun team by force.
But Mamentias answer me bo. Say me coachron so he. Na ye de krata abekire me say me nsan krata ne say answer you no.
Ansa na what paper no. E was sign.
Na say ho de ntiase nim sa.
Aha, we enti na ama ye believe say more problem, more space constraints. And you say 93% feeling. More space constraints. Enti na sa same way na ba enti fine. Some say you fail it there. More publishing marking scheme no na more ma nkran ko remarking. We the enya sem tin there. Most you fail you fail ye. O publishing marking scheme na you say 1 + 1 is equal to 2. Who needs say 1 + 1 is equal to 2? Means me say 1 + 1 is equal to 2. You say na me try. So publishing our marking scheme na me call remarking na. Ya kwa ye ko hwemu you don't say 2 na me try. And I say 2 no na man tro. Me boa.
Correct.
That is one of our demands. Our demands are that are basically that they should decentralize legal education, open it up for the faculties to teach the professional training course, and then they should set their final bar exam. And that exam should be representative of Nyayesiano, because Tisiano exam na yako you have 7 weeks to prepare for a 2-hour paper. Now that 2-hour paper no, akwa se wako SS, once nya wa yek litino. What's in it to know subjects behind the exam. Makola exam when you sign it you. Which show one paper, pick question about yes be behind say what's here. Then find say what's your math, English, science, social studies, government, politics, government history, economics. Question about yes be topics it's not fair.
Yeah, Matthias, but clearly, money paying for din come on this difficulties, and I make say hindrances you mudia to makwema. What's the explanation?
You know, 2017 2017-2018 academic year. You can share on my opinion that the petition could see in the name of my opinion. Can say about directly Attorney General Manaya there. Obitiaye. You could who Attorney General and say a letter to say your Attorney General the same day. Yeah, say what you have to say problems you or into obeying you Obitiaye since 2016. Same way started your Professor Asari at the Omo court. Omujitu say exam the cry illegal. It now so General Legal Council no Monko Parliament no Monko to be free Parliament or say in the first place even the exam was illegal. The Supreme Court agreed that the exam was illegal and they had to go to Parliament to get a law to back the exam.
Prince Mesa Basu Jinaso Yebedi Sankom Mesa Basu Jinaso as I say Yedi Sankom in net and was he Mamen Kwa Masu quickly na Professor Kwakwasari ono de emse ye kan wono so a e de akire akonsanyo mamu beda o fan ma bibi etima kwa ye ntimi yin prof anope ye da asese wo so waje brese ode unim de beboye meje de se bibia iboko
Omanhene does bibia iboko no mpacho mo hote sen
enko ye every say ayi ade no se de yesi kinkan yakura yenko mra suku no o chirechire mu kakra chire me na mu se na se hade akwansidie kakra wa hanum se especially when watima kwa se nibia akosre court to say wono man sachira ye mra na sa na montuo no kranti mu ndi mu wie peyo ene wasaba mejiri se wasaba ka ye nuanum ho ama wono de wana adwunkyira sa atodwa eye wo de ana efe de ekosi ewo ye mra addition no
Omanhene me se Ghana yeah mobo pa yeah mobo yi if it's and somewhere ekosu or law school and no HSA yem penny for no one mada keke one mada na bibi happy na enya dia one modi benya votes ya na umu nyina one makata one ni keke if nkomo ayi di problems no started the problems have been there since 2015 and nipa bebre me so maka say saa de yan so wo a e de asem kese beba dadi ekosi say na se o se wakoye insohwe na insohwe na ukoye no enipa apem aha wotwe aduenu a omoye no wo mu oha aduenu wotwe pena itimi pass.
It's not possible.
7% penitimi pass sa exam ko na wo ye ebi si wo ba bi wo wi ase da man na kira de ache na the problem e was sa de na omo ka no ho ne say exam a entrance exam no ye sheda entrance nka say score bi and ye passing mark into no so want me anya sa score no a na wa fail no matter the circumstances of that exam. What did they make as
it? Prof.
If he say no matter how hard you try as a teacher, no exam ba po obeye no etimi more difficult than another exam obeye. And so you standardize it and o curve o score no based on idea obehu no because we decide say pass mark near 50% no. Muye assumption be so average students bet mania 40 into the pass mark na go to 50 no. E be bet mania 60, e be bet mania 70, e be bet mania 80. Into na why you pass mark 50 no. Now when wow exam no koye na afi obi anya 50 a. And so so anyway this year no be no obeko law school if so be anya 50.
That's not possible.
No onte statistics as and onte psychometrics as entina exam West Africa Exam Council exam bia obe owiase no teacher no ohwe no akeve into 50 bia enye the same as 50 say ukoye exam na 50 una we highest sa 50 no it means something different than another exam, not 15 the lowest grade. Into 128 now, I'm passing based on a statistically flawed analysis. So, General Legal Council, no, statistician kahua, and a psychometrician kahua, and go back them said no, Sadia Muye, and yet because we set a pass mark of 50, no, who assume some distribution. And that distribution is not present. So it is not correct to say move past 7% of the people. Now, young Nigeria, Nancy, one buy exam. Buy exam, no, there's only a final exam. Ebema, why call a lawyer? And then entrance exam. One know who you law for your buy exam. Buy exam, no, no. Pass rate is 80%. Any power pass here, 80% pass. Out of 5,000 students, and now I'm by exam, 80%, over 4,000 passed and came out as lawyers. So, as someone will say, this and the Nigeria students, no one dear chair Ghana for so much. And now Ghana for somehow almost there now. And now, dear Neko Suntina. Nigeria for Ekoye exam, by exam Nankasan, 80% of them pass. Now Ghana there. Some entrance exam only 7% of the people have passed. That is the way we should analyze the problem. Now the second problem I want to say, why one capacity for 1,000 students, almost here. Last time we came news file, almost more capacity for 1,000 students. Now our capacity for 1,000 students, now we give 128 panel. Now capacity now can all the correct financially, no, does it make sense to run a programmer a NIPA 128 per and ever running when you yourself you started with a target of 1,000? Number 10, adia omuye legally no ankasa no. So ka emramua problems bebree wo adia omuye legally. Number one, who Juma, General Legal Council, the main job, they say, one member students opportunity, Amama qualify as lawyers. But one Daniel Majuano as the opposite. So we deny amount for. Until no about this, you better start for court because me face they don't understand what they are supposed to do. You know.
But Prof, focus on more denial. Is it deliberate? And as a pass mark a challenge for additional for now because why would you deny?
I deliberate because send them a kind pass mark there. Who make my pass mark anything? Me make back for your exam. Now me the line at two any back who say me say on open or pass here. Just a pass mark like yet science there. And now chemistry be at say we know you know pass. No, pass mark is set by human beings. And na make a statistics any curve nothing. Who my your pass mark to say ubian pass here? Who my your pass mark to say ubian pass? Pass mark no only for the 1 or 30 pass mark. No. It is all years I'm not so pass mark no only 7% now pass here. And yes, I'm colano now there. Who now pass mark now I know a creative problem. Now, anyone say maybe a president of Ghana. Now, who my regulator say produce lawyers. Now, I'm about to catch them. Say, Kwadano, only 7% of them now pass here. Make us say your mono more regulator. They na mon ma obifu from that. Argentina, I say students over 2,000. Woman now, woman called law school, a law faculty. Ebin we 3 years. Ebin we 4 years. Every year, woman there 10,000 cedis. So we are talking about one person. If you are 30,000 cedis, Nigeria near DMI, ni baby or die by. Odi sa 30,000 multiply by 2,000. We are talking almost 60 million cedis. Mm-hmm. Then the teachers, they teach, the deans, they run out of it. Then of the 2,000 people now at the end, no, and if 128 spend a pass here, I say, oh yeah, any product, or factory, oh yeah, Juma. Now, what started say, who process here, nearby, oh yeah, but now yeah, no. Out of the 2,000 now, who started so 120 penny a year. I say you would because no country, no serious country can be run this way. Now, the TV Simon one says, in Penifono, they feel like they are proud of it. Ethnical drama radio, so be the mass production of lawyers, no, you over my dead body.
But Prof, 93% failure rate, no. Obia saying Yakudro Sachim say, and ne a lawyer for Beboa man on Bebusu, no, and then Cafenamka, Wukrana. Because clearly, no, Minaka, who he has said by a branding for, but the actual say, it does say a church for Nankasa or Mochadiano, one more dimbono and Swenny, and now Buapayum, Obia that says, will be Paba branding for the and now because it doesn't, for lack of a better word this morning, it doesn't make sense. And toss more. Say, Okochlen Quada, sorry. Wana brafa titi mua na okuya, ohano, ohamunchemu ediokono miensa, one more than bossy and so and it is continuous. A CFBM yesu say another neighbor, wow, corporate remarking so yes, all over your papers now, sana. I had to say, Busumbi and I said, Sacred Society be and I say, what is it? So, what is it?
And I make Ghana near Gigi Niamasu. So, we are Gigi Niamasu because of other countries, this won't happen so long because in Casa, Mono and Moya General Legal Council, you are shutting down the data. Ama other people are won't be to me a year, Abaye because when you yourself know you are running something, the failure rate is so high, no. Also, who say, "Who know I will run here? They who know failing." The General Legal Council is a failure because one more you want is a mobile regulatory education. But look at one more based on one more metrics. ɛkyɛ sɛ ɔmo ntumi nyɛ adwuma no nti obi a wɔ general legal council ɔsi ɛpam wɔm yɛ de new people a wɔn new ideas ɛba a wɔbɛtumi create system bi a ebɛtumi apase amanfoɔ.
So Prof, the first prescription is that general legal council for dodo na no wɔn de mo nya adeɛ so ɛni sɛntiɛ fɔ mo si nkyɛn na yɛn kɔ anim asɔman.
Yes, sɛnti na maka no sɛ because even if general legal council no hwɛ membership no a Supreme Court justices for the also and no one can stand any problem because so we a student now who need general legal council any problem now person they call court
osakoshia sankofo na
nkofo na ma feli wa na osado wa sama koma on court so that in itself no a problem. Number two, one mu bibia o mu be no ayese secret society. One meeting no, because a administrative body no. Or say nka one meeting any one mu niema o mu ye nyina ye open to the public. Into no e bia mu ye decision say mu be passing 128 over 1820 no. Or say because we had a vote and out of our 11 members 7 voted for that or 4 voted against. Nobody knows any decision on so general legal council are they even meeting? Is one person dominating? We have to know all this because they don't own legal education. They are just agents of the people. And they should be accountable to us.
But Prof,
Parliament here accountable to us.
But Prof, I hold on Kamebano say, any secret society. Enti they are no more pretty in that space now as if say the untouchables is a no-go area na nipa dachi. Because tie story si bia yan your fancy for ni enuanom ebro so kire dia. Me susu say mame musa asase me aban role and an responsibilities in these matters are breaking a lot of people into pieces no. Their role is aban play.
Aban so even the general legal council they take directions from the Attorney General. So the Attorney General can direct the General Legal Council to do something. They are under the executive can direct them. The executive can shape policy. If I was the president, what was going on me if a president no on your proactive. At some point, why yes and you need to say you Akra say Bibi issue of another country cry or you're quick to respond. But this is happening right there in his backyard. On one no or your lawyer. And not very long ago, or call law meeting. I'm so we Ghana Bar Association.
Exactly,
meeting.
An opportunity to put it across.
But he's not saying anything about it. Second, Uko Parliament, me the court, Emma court can say. Adia na omo ye na kasa ne etumra no ye unconstitutional no one mo di law bi baaye se on person omo ye entrance exam no at that time no parliamentarians no ye big mistake ye catch them say no there should be no such thing as entrance exam ma obia nsua na de owie no akoye bar exam no o pass ya na wa qualify general legal council for ni minimum so mu hurura omo say dey Ebaya no na speaker no kwa ma vote. One yeah na he send ya omo ye obi no. Whereas mumu constituents and ye failing some of the parliamentarians themselves no are victims. But omo ye very aggressive. You I would say a leadership failure. When my say your leaders no they omo ye very serious about solving problems unless they see votes. The votes will boom and they will go and solve it.
But Prof, unim says unless they see votes and procurement matters are reasonable. And more makuru ntimi konkai. Emra makuru ni swadi ntimi mem. Because that's dangerous. If only it's about votes and if it's about procurement matters there. And then the more Oman developer now. Some of these things is really very relevant. It clearly no Omada. Is that what it means? On this subject matter?
Yes. Omanhene no Omada. Completely for this to happen, and then this year, wow, this has been going on for years, and nobody who is in political leadership has ever said a word about it. And not just the mother, and now you're interested, and now you show general legal counsel, and I am found. In all of those cases, no, a serious problem. Into the students, no, they should also direct their anger at their leaders. The other na mono leaders. Now you cut through these problems. Now makatamani emfamu.
Professor Kwakwasa. Meda wase brentino na mejidis wa baidie. Kojo fojo ne yimba ebeshi yenhihye na yatoa nkomo we so any other matters. Go ye Ghana ni this year. Na yetimi agibre di san nkomo no kasa videos. Meda ase akwa abanso. Yebehia
Omanhene medasi Yamishrao.
Yo, yebekwa omanso quickly Kwabena Adom reporter any odiomachi. Enti ye hwede Kwabena demonstration ashase. Hello Kwabena.
Yeah.
Demonstration ashase na.
Pepacho aka takrana demonstration no ashase pe about igusu na Ghana School of Law.
Na hifo na ekeka brofa kese ohoi.
The president of the Ghana School of Law and all kasa your solidarity message. Or share man for the crying almost say Omomachi is to resist oppressors rule. There are no solidarity messages now almost taking at the moment. Almost say on paper base 3 or 4. And doing that demonstration and a protest now I started from here to Jubilee House.
I see. Enti she say ombo ebi omwo no. Omo free omo de omo ni Jubilee House straight. Is that correct? She say omo free baby omo ya Jubilee House no moko.
I am marching through the streets of Accra to the Jubilee House. I am presenting petition. I'm a president.
Na ahokeka ho no te sen. Bambo ho asem te sen.
I for but private security now almost Ghana School of Law. Almost say nya dia abema no protesters in Ghana School of Law compound.
It's
who did it our members our now
eti omu jira sukuu na chi na omu edi omu nkomo
students about economic time and then be come on okay now you say a law exam mope nyama bebre mope say omo remarking exams no mo so am say 3,000 cedis for one paper no mope say and no so much about Accra apart from no dey build na mo
okay say we yet teacher ni na say o the exams ma wo kola na so mo so ye na o say nipa 100 the exams ni bia no ba ko pen wa pass na exams ni nye e say kwan ya offer so dey ma exams na nye kwan ya offer so dey ma ki exams na nye na o ye why sa dey na wi no wo si o ti ade me bim utia sika say ya ye be say ahia ma kia ma obi o ye ti e no ja ne be say o mu jai nti ye say ye total reform the system now accommodating legal education. And it's almost the same. Chief Justice say or no the company, but party Chief Justice say, send me to say no more no, I want not present. And then a 21st century, and then there was 2019. Let's begin the time and in the who show my one. The here lawyer for bebre. Now see the lawyer for. I did here. Exactly. A movie on Martin said. What makes me a bear lawyer? On present Pakatana, the cost of your lawyer. Put the strategy here, and you can say, yeah, can say, system now, almost educated Ghana lawyers, and yet, in the reform, yet, sending now, where for there, meaning one no can say, what is the worst here enough? I'll bet enough of us. Someone said that twice a year. Who got wrong now? Percent one on who got wrong to an outcome winning. Now, I would go here over 90% failing. Let us say that no, and yes,
more regime say at the end of this match, make the emotion for any day.
And then, hey, assassin. The Ayayan Nano. I shall see of the bray. I pay it. You want to say with the end. The best why you eat dress, woman, what to say with the
courage, one of the law students are saying in Can, one of the 10 how more share a demonstration here of reform in legal education in Ghana.
Okay, community medasi na see some of the solidarity messages no. Me say Jumedini course na be back to you na ya beto ayen common so one. So that's P. Komna Adom ye multimedia reporter bako. Well, it be say Fabɛwɔso Jumedini e kujina Ghana Law School wono nsema wono dia ba me say also onya additional film ye di achire enche wono ye amanyo sem betena se na afei ye di amanyo sem komo.